Hi everybody. Long time no see. So I am still having COVID, and I can't come back until Friday because of the timeline and everything. But I really appreciate you guys being so nice to the subs. They've said good things about you, and that makes a huge difference in my stress levels, knowing that you're being wonderful. So I appreciate you. Now this week, what you're going to do is you're going to be creating a children's book. So last week you did like research, and that's great, and I'm excited to grade all that because it's a lot of hard work, so you deserve a lot of points. This week you're going to be creating something. So you're going to be making a children's book. It's not hard, don't freak out, but it is an opportunity to get a little creative and apply that information that you researched. So I laid it out in steps for you. It's all in Google Classroom, but I'm going to go over it. You're going to choose one topic to talk about. If there's something like kid-friendly that you want to do that's not on this list, that's fine. Just make sure it's kid-friendly. So choose which one you want, and then you're going to create your characters. And this is just kind of like your notes page, so you can put all your stuff in here. And then you're going to write out your storyline. So you're going to have the title, and then you're going to have 10 pages. And that's not that much, because if you think about a children's book, it's like 1 to 2 sentences per page. So it's not intense, don't worry. Then your step 4 is actually transferring it to a story booklet. So what you're going to do is you're going to get 3 pieces of paper. Okay, I only have this paper here. But there's computer paper on my bookshelf by the whiteboard. If you want to just let the sub know that you guys need access to that. And then there's a stapler. Don't staple it until you're completely done though. So like if you mess up, you can just toss a page. But you take the 3 pages and you just fold it in half. Don't make it difficult. And then I would number your pages, because what kids have done in the past is like the pages get stuck together as it is right now, and then they end up like messing up. So just make sure I would like put little numbers in the corners so that you're not messing it up. But yeah, it's just like a little booklet. And then on Friday, they should be ready to go. So when you walk in the door, they should be ready on Friday. We're going to read through them all, and then the class is going to vote on a winner. The winner will receive a little prize from me and a positive parent phone call or text, whichever you prefer. Okay? In addition, it is going to be worth a lot of points because it takes more work. So make sure that you're working and staying on task and not having to do it for homework, because you're getting 4 straight days of getting to work in class. And it's not insane. It's just a little children's book, okay? So don't make your life difficult and don't overstress, but stay on task. All right? I look forward to seeing you on Friday. I am very tired of being home, and I really want to be back in the classroom with you guys. So see you Friday.